Hi guys. Wooden puzzle, 3D puzzle elephant by Box Marabou. Haven't heard of that particular brand. The usual. Push out the wooden pieces, slide them together, or slot them together. This video is a little bit of a test. I was doing some videoing last night, and when I came to edit the videos, I found that my wireless microphone had failed. Now, I think actually it wasn't the microphone itself that failed. I think it was the battery in the phone had failed. And it had run down so far that it didn't actually support the plug-in adapter for the wireless microphone. Bit of waffle that, but that's just explaining why we're doing this one tonight. I wasn't in a hurry to do this, but I just wanted to do something simple. I could check the microphone was all right. So the phone is fully charged and the microphone is fully charged. Oh, just out of interest, that's the wireless microphone. I have it clipped to my glasses. I found that if I clipped it to my neck or the neck of my shirt, I tended to knock it when doing this sort of work. Also got the electric fan going in the background because it's cold in here today. I'll do this fast forward and I will do it normal speed. So parts are labelled and numbered, and you just do them in order. So step 1, we need to find A11, B8, A12, B13, A7, B14. Okay. Right, should be easier to see what we're doing now. A12. A12. Oh, that came out nice and easy. B8. Just the right way up to match. So B8. B13. A11. I must say this is a rather nice kit. It's very well stamped. They're just coming out perfectly. He says, and that one's a bit tight. But then you want them to be tight so they hold them in position. Okay, other side A7. A7. Yep. Then B4. B4. Okay. So that's step 1 completed. Step 2. We need A10. A10. B6. B6. B1. B1. Then we need B5. Going back to talking about the wireless microphone, there's no way of knowing whether it's actually recording unless you stop the video or stop the recording and go and play it back again. A1. It will be interesting to listen to the video and see how much that electric fan in the background is picked up by the microphone. Right, that's gone on nicely. That's step 2 finished, or stage 2. Stage 3. A14. A13. A8. A8. A6. Hang on. Oh, I'm not doing this in order. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. Step 1 was A9. Pay attention, Grandad. A9. No, hang on. But B12 has got... Oh yeah, B12's on the outside. B12 goes on there and slides down to lock it in place. I see. That makes sense. And A5 we've... A5 should have gone on before that one. A5. So even when I try and follow the instructions, I make mistakes. That goes on there, then that one slides down and locks in place. That makes sense. Yep. A6 and B2. B2. That one. Oh dear. I've got that one upside down after all that. No, I can't have it upside down. No, I must have it upside down. Right, take that off. Take this off. Take that out. Turn it the other way up. Get back on again. Good job, Grandad didn't glue anything. Goes on there. That goes on there and slides down to lock it in place. Now, yeah, we're doing okay. Step 1, A3. A3. B7, A2, B9, B10, B11, B4, B3. And there we are. And he's going to fall over. Just balances. Right. Done.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.